Welcome to Bestsellers Market. We're thrilled to have you with us today as we dive into an exciting countdown of the best-selling motors products on Amazon. These products have been flying off the shelves, and we're here to show you exactly why they're so popular. From innovative features to unbeatable performance, these motors have it all. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling motors on Amazon is the door lock actuator motor front left driver side. This powerhouse component is a top choice for those who demand reliability and precision in their vehicle's locking mechanism. Let's delve into why this actuator motor stands out. Firstly, it boasts an OEM design. What does that mean for you? It's crafted to the exact specifications of the original equipment manufacturer, ensuring it fits perfectly and functions flawlessly. Imagine that factory-fresh look and feel. Combined with a direct fit installation, it's as if it was made just for your car. The OE connector guarantees a solid, positive connection every time. Next, let's talk quality. Durability is key, and this door latch is built to last. Made from reinforced plastic, it offers maximum resilience and superior performance. The electromechanical exterior latch release mechanism is engineered for efficiency, providing smooth, sleek operation. It's the epitome of long-lasting reliability. But what about compatibility? This actuator motor fits a wide array of vehicles. From the 2010 to 2015 Toyota 4Runner, the 2007 to 2016 Camry, to the 2009 to 2013 Corolla, and beyond. Lexus models? Covered. Scion? Absolutely. The range is extensive, ensuring that many makes and models benefit from this superior motor. For a detailed fitment list, be sure to check the specifics. Your vehicle might just be included. Replacing an OE number has never been easier. This actuator matches several OE numbers: 69040, 06180, 69040, C050, and more. Each unit undergoes rigorous testing to ensure peak performance, featuring a high-quality electric motor that won't let you down. And here's the kicker: a 12-month warranty. If you're not completely satisfied, you can count on a free replacement or refund. It's a testament to the confidence in their product's quality and performance. So if you're looking for a door lock actuator motor that delivers on all fronts, quality, compatibility, durability, and warranty, this is your go-to choice. It's not just a replacement part, it's an upgrade in every sense of the word. Number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling motors on Amazon is the door latch assembly with cable and rod. Designed for the Ford E150, E250, and E350, this rear cargo door lock latch is a game-changer for those seeking reliability and ease of installation. Let's break it down. This latch assembly is not just compatible with one or two models. No, it spans a remarkable range of Ford E-Series vehicles from 1992 all the way to 2014. That's over 2 decades of models covered, making it a versatile and valuable addition to your toolkit. Now let's talk specifics. This assembly is designed for the rear cargo door on the right side. It comes complete with the cable and rod, just as shown in the product picture. That means everything you need for a seamless repair is included in one convenient package. No more scrambling for additional parts or making do with makeshift solutions. When it comes to replacement, this assembly stands out. It matches the OEM numbers: 6C2, Z15431, A02AA, and 8C2, Z15431, A02C. These exact specifications ensure that it fits perfectly, functions smoothly, and restores your vehicle's locking mechanism to its original efficiency. But what happens if you encounter a problem? No worries there. The support team is dedicated to providing the best solution and service. Simply reach out before leaving feedback or reviews, and they promise to deliver an optimal resolution. Your satisfaction is their priority, and your positive feedback fuels their passion and commitment to excellence. In summary, the door latch assembly with cable and rod is not just a part. It's a comprehensive solution. Its compatibility, completeness, and commitment to quality and customer service make it a standout choice. If you're driving a Ford E-Series and need a reliable rear cargo door latch, look no further. This assembly has you covered from start to finish. Taking the 3rd spot on our list of Amazon's best-selling motors is the ATRACYPART rear liftgate door lock actuator tailgate latch actuator. If you're in need of a top-notch tailgate latch for your vehicle, this product is a stellar choice. Let's dive into what makes this actuator a standout performer. Premium quality is the hallmark of this actuator. Crafted from rust-proof steel housing, it's built for maximum durability. Long-lasting performance is what you get, ensuring your tailgate remains secure and operational for years to come. No more worries about wear and tear. This latch is designed to withstand the test of time, but it doesn't stop there. The OEM design ensures that this rear latch is manufactured to the original equipment specifications. This means it fits perfectly, looks factory fresh, and functions just like the original part. The OE connector guarantees a solid, positive connection, making installation a breeze. Now let's talk fitments. This actuator is a perfect replacement for several popular models: the 2009 to 2012 Ford Escape, the 2009 to 2011 Mercury Mariner, and the 2008 to 2011 Mazda Tribute. Engineered with a dependable electronic motor and latch mechanism, it offers efficient and sleek operation. It's not just a replacement, it's an upgrade in performance and reliability. When it comes to replacements, it matches the OE numbers 9L8Z784315B and 9L8Z784315B, as well as 937, 663. Rigorous vehicle try-on testing ensures that this rear hatch latch performs excellently under all operating conditions. You're getting a reliable back door lock that won't let you down. And here's the kicker: a 12-month warranty. If you're not fully satisfied with the rear hatch actuator, the company offers a free replacement or refund. That's a testament to their confidence in the product's quality and performance. In summary, the ATRACYPART rear liftgate door lock actuator is the perfect blend of quality, fitment, and reliability. If you're driving a Ford Escape, Mercury Mariner, or Mazda Tribute and need a dependable tailgate latch, this actuator is your go-to solution. Built to last, designed to fit, and guaranteed to perform, it's a top choice for any discerning driver. Are you enjoying our countdown of the top-selling motors on Amazon? If you're revved up about it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep your notifications cruising smoothly. Coming in at number 2 on our countdown of Amazon's best-selling motors is the trunk lock latch for Toyota Camry. This remarkable actuator motor assembly is designed specifically for the 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry, delivering both reliability and convenience. Let's explore why this trunk lock actuator is a must-have. Imagine restoring the ease of remotely locking or unlocking your Camry's trunk. This actuator brings that functionality back to life, ensuring your trunk lid operates smoothly every time. The robust plastic housing enhances durability, protecting the mechanism from potential damage and wear. Now, let's talk fitment. This actuator is compatible with Toyota Camrys from 2007 to 2011, covering models with 2, 4L, 2, 5L, and 3, 5LL4 V6 engines. Whether you have a 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, or 2011 model, this part fits seamlessly. Before ordering, just double-check the fitment and part number to ensure a perfect match. When it comes to replacements, it fits several part numbers: 64600, 06010, 64600, 33120, and more. It's a direct replacement for Dorman 931, 860, meeting or exceeding OEM standards. Each unit undergoes rigorous testing to guarantee exceptional performance. The actuator can be easily located at the trunk lid of your vehicle, accessible by removing the trunk lid panel for straightforward installation. Speaking of installation, this actuator boasts an OEM design and direct fit. It's not a genuine Toyota or Dorman part, but it works just like the original and lasts even longer. You can install it within minutes, saving both time and money. Replace your trunk door lock actuator motor integrated with the latch for Camry with keyless entry by yourself, and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. What's included? You'll receive one Toyota 64600, 06010 trunk latch door lock actuator assembly with keyless entry. Plus, it comes with a 12-month warranty and lifetime technical support. If this actuator ever fails on your Camry, you can contact the company for a hassle-free replacement, ensuring peace of mind and a smooth shopping experience. In summary, The trunk lock latch for Toyota Camry is a superior choice for anyone looking to restore or enhance their vehicle's trunk locking functionality. Durable, reliable, and easy to install, it's a top pick for Camry owners. If you're seeking a seamless, efficient solution for your trunk lock needs, look no further. This actuator has you covered. Capping off our countdown at number 1 is the InstallGear IGDLA-2 Universal Car Power Door Lock Actuators, a complete 12-volt motor kit that transforms your vehicle's door locking system with ease and efficiency. Imagine the convenience of upgrading your car's door locks with this powerful 2-pack actuator set. Each actuator is engineered to enhance the functionality of your vehicle's locking system, providing a robust and reliable solution for secure door operation. Whether you're enhancing security or simply upgrading your vehicle, these actuators deliver performance you can trust. What sets this kit apart? The secure mounting system includes two 6.75-inch mounting straps. These straps ensure a stable and secure attachment, crucial for long-term reliable performance. No more worries about instability or misalignment. This kit has you covered. Flexible connectivity is another highlight. With two 8.5-inch connecting rods included, you'll achieve an optimal fit tailored to your vehicle's door dimensions. This flexibility ensures that these actuators adapt perfectly, regardless of your car's specific requirements. Installation is a breeze with this kit. It comes with 4 self-tapping screws, simplifying the setup process and making it smoother and hassle-free. Everything you need for a straightforward installation is included, so you can enjoy the benefits without the usual installation headaches. And let's not forget the comprehensive hardware package. Along with the actuators and connecting rods, you get additional pictured hardware, ensuring you have every component necessary to complete your upgrade successfully. It's a well-thought-out kit designed to make your installation experience seamless. In summary, the InstallGear IGDLA-2 Universal Car Power Door Lock Actuators are the ultimate choice for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's door locking system. With secure mounting, flexible connectivity, and an inclusive hardware set, this kit provides everything needed for a top-notch upgrade. If you're ready to elevate your car's security and convenience, this is the perfect solution. Get ready to experience a new level of ease and reliability with your door locks. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling motors on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.